Shorthand exercise number 97 and 98. Shorthand exercise 97, 98. Now write down the various rooms in the British Museum are the resort of the theologian, the geologist, the historian, and the scholar in every department of science and art. There are to be found relics of the Assyrians, the Babylonians, and other ancient nations long since passed away. Wonderful specimens of beautiful Indian and other Oriental arts and crafts, miscellaneous ornaments ingeniously carved and showing the most delicate work and the liveliest imagination of the artist are to be seen to the museum. No wonder that it exercises a great attraction for the visitor to London. Dear Mr. Brewer, it is to be regretted that the arrangement with the band of the Cleopatra has fallen through, but I shall be able to rearrange the program and it will not affect the gaiety of the members of the Lyceum on Monday. We have had to reappoint the late manager of the local theatre as master of ceremonies because he knows the ceremonial to be observed, and we shall have to reassemble the members of the chorus and readmit those who retired last June. I am worrying the decorators and doing my utmost to make these slowest of slow people finish their work. Very truly yours,